Since I'm on a roll, I'm going to go ahead and do the vocabulary for this week that we're going to learn in class this week. So this vocabulary is dealing with some emotions, some family words, and things like that. You may be wondering, why are we putting this vocabulary together? It doesn't really make a whole lot of sense that we're putting these particular words together, because maybe we're not doing all of emotions or all of family. Well, the reason that we're doing these groupings of words that we're doing is because it's going to get you conversational the fastest. So I'm not looking to group a bunch of categories together, like learning all of feelings or learning all of family or learning all of animals or learning, categories like that, because that's not what gets you conversational. I want you to get conversational because I'm telling you guys, 6 weeks till Christmas and we are going to be voice off. That means we're all quiet and we have to use signs in order to communicate. It's going to be awesome. And then we'll have the quietest class in the whole academy. So let's start. Our first word is angry. We've done this before. You guys remember. There are different variations of anger. So grumpy might be right here. Grumpy. Your face has got to show some grump to it. And you're right here and you're just sort of going grumpy. Woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Maybe I'm a little cranky today. Grumpy. Okay. Different from angry. Starts right here at the pit of your belly, right? And acid comes up and onto your face and you're angry. You're mad. Boy, I bet you guys are glad I'm not your mom, huh? And then my favorite is when you take me beyond anything that I'm able to handle and I get so angry that I just blow my top. Blow my top. So here's your top. No, here's your head. No, here's your neck. Let's go with that. There's your neck. Here's your top. And it blows. Okay. Ant. Remember, you shake an A at your chin. Ant. All females are below the nose. All males are above the nose. So ant, you shake an A at your chin. Uncle, you shake a U up at your forehead. Baby. Pretty simple. You just pretend like you've got a baby and you rock it. Bed. That's bed. So if you're going to say, I'm going to bed, you would say, go bed. You would not say sleep, because sleep is different from bed. Okay, so this is bed. Now I'm going to teach you the word for room. Room is showing the box. So you show the walls of the room. Okay, so there's walls on the north and south ends and walls on the east and west ends. I don't care if your room is shaped differently or if there is a room that you know of that's shaped differently. It's still the same sign. Room. So now you can say bed, room. Brush teeth. You literally pretend you're brushing your teeth. Yeah. Cry. The little tears come down from your eye. Just cry. Cry. You can do 2 hands if you're really crying hard. Cry or cry. Yeah. Daughter is a girl baby. So you're going to say girl, baby, daughter. Son is a boy baby. Son. You remember want. We took what we wanted, we grabbed it, and we pulled it in, right? Now if we don't want something, reversal of orientation. We do want and then throw it away. I don't want. So want, throw it. Don't want. Excuse. To say excuse me or pardon me or even forgive me. Your non-dominant hand, palm up. Your dominant hand with your fingers, and you just go back and forth. So if you make an unsightly noise in class, you might say, excuse me. If you say something inappropriately, you might say, forgive me. If you are cutting in line, you might say, pardon me, or excuse me. Feel. we've taught this one before. It's that little middle finger, what I call the feely finger. For those of you who have been in my classes before this, and you use that middle finger and you start it on your chest and you just brush it up. Feel, or feelings, either way. Okay, friend, take your pointer fingers and hook them together and then flip them. Friend. And then this is best friend. Best friend. Happy. Happy. Flat hands. You just bring it from your heart up onto your face. Happy. Joy. Happy and joy. Help. Non-dominant hand. Palm up. Dominant hand. Thumbs up. Put it in your palm and lift. Help. Now, I could take this whole thing and put it towards you and say, can I help you? Or I can start at you and bring it to myself, and that means, can you help me? Help you, help me, or just help. Hurt. You're taking your pointer fingers and you're pointing them towards each other. If you actually make contact, good for you. I can't always, I just don't have that coordination, but hurt. Now, what you can do with hurt is you can put it where it hurts. If you have a headache, you might do it up here at your head. If you have an earache, you might do it over here by your ear. If you have a tummy ache, you might do it down here at your tummy. You put hurt where it hurts. That's how people know how to help you. Still with me? Yes, you are. If. You take your pinky finger and you tap your cheek right underneath your eye. If. So, if you have a problem in class, just ask. Same thing with idea, except a little bit different. Idea. Idea. So you tap your cheek and you bring it out. Idea, like, oh, the light bulb went off. I have an idea. Love. Just crossing your arms over your heart. Love. Sad. Your hand comes right down in front of your face, stays open, and you have a sad face on. Sad. Sorry or apologize. I use an A hand. You can use an A hand or an S hand. Kind of doesn't matter. I use an A hand. And you just circle your fist in front of your chest. I'm sorry. Stop. Palm up with your non-dominant hand. Your dominant hand is a flat hand that comes right down, kind of like a wall. Stop. Stop. Suppose is the same thing as if. So if and suppose are the same thing. So if you were going to say, if you have a question, just ask. Or suppose I needed to go to a different class, what should I do? Or suppose I have a problem. If and suppose are the same. We did uncle and then wash. Wash is fists. There you go, like this. And you pretend to wash. Okay, that's it. That's all the vocabulary for last week and this week. See you later. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. 10, 15 minutes every day. Every single day. Every single day. 10, 15 minutes every single day. Bye.